steering, Ted. This is all up to you, buddy. We gotta go this way. I think I am off the trail, believe it or not. Yep, there it is. Goes over a couple of feet. This is the road that you use to brush hog this property. Fairly tight one, and it's hard to see if it's hasn't been cleaned up in a while. Well, that's quite the pricker bush. As you can see, pretty tight on either side. Really tight when you bring a tractor through. You can do it though. Oh, let's see. Oh, there he is. Zoom. Ted's girlfriend. They're up from the city. All right. I take it you're ready to continue your walk, good sir. Let's move on. Hi, Edison. What you doing, Addie? She didn't like me. Apparently your girlfriend's a good judge of character. She likes you. She doesn't like me at all. She won't even come within 10 feet of me, which is pretty funny. I usually have a halfway decent rapport with dogs, but I think Addison's pretty sure that I'm evil. Might be the camera. Yep, there she goes. Reach that distance. Got to peel off. So I'll keep walking backwards. See, she goes right to Ted. That is so funny. They can play together, but she just won't bridge that gap. City dog. Smart girl. You're a smart girl. Yes, you are. Well, don't go away mad. We just left his girlfriend. We're coming down the road, and all of a sudden he sees a little pile of fox poop. And just as he gets ready to barrel roll into it, I told him, no, that's not a good idea. I think he's forgiven me now. But he really wanted to get his shoulder into it. You can always tell, but I don't have that kind of time because we're going back to work now at work, and I don't have time to give a dog a bath. So I would really prefer, well, I mean, pretty much any time I would really prefer he not rolling fox poop, actually, when it comes right down to it. Oh, she's gone. Where did that ninja dog go? Oh, there she is again. Ted's girlfriend sneaking down to see him. There she is, Ted. Go see her. Go see her. Go ahead, go see her. Oh, there she is. What, are you waiting for Elvis? You guys having fun? You guys having fun? In case anybody wondering. There's Elvis. Elvis is older. He prefers not to play with the kids. You gonna go say hi to your girlfriend, buddy? No, don't wait for Elvis. He didn't care about you, dude. Oh, there goes Addie. She's going back home. That's what you get for ignoring your girlfriend. Oh, hey, look who's out there. All right, Ted. I will see you later, buddy. You be a good boy. Have a good morning. I'll see you at lunch. Kind of fun to have your dog say goodbye to you when you go to work. And for astute observers, yeah, those two warning messages on my dash, I think those are Yorkie related, because Ted got underneath the back of the car and he was trying to find mice underneath the back, and I know there's some wires back there for the rear wheel sensors, and after he got done searching for mice, I had this warning. I'm not gonna say it's Ted's fault, but I'm not gonna say it either. Oh, for those saying that I'm being dangerous, filming while I'm driving, this is my road. I can do whatever I want. Watch this. I'm going into a corner. Got no hands on the wheel. That's just how I roll. I gotta grab the wheel now though.